Hi Zach, what do you make?
I made a click the button game. So basically, how you play it is there's two buttons.
So you upgraded the click the button that we made earlier?
Yep.
Okay, let's see it.
So let's just run it. Hold on. This takes. What? Okay, now.
Okay, there we go.
All right. So what you want to do? This one is a decoy, and this one is the real deal. You have to click on the real deal, and you have a certain amount of lives. You can screw up 2 times. 1, 2, and here's an extra life.
That comes in how many times, or what's the odds of an extra life coming in?
Right now, I think it's about 1 in 5. I said it to, I think.
So every round there's a 1 in 5 chance of a new life.
No, 1 in 10. 1 in 10.
1 in 10. And what other features did you add?
I added a level up system. So if you click the button enough times, let's just quickly cheat our way to silver button. So it levels you up with another button if you click more. So say right now we're on score 99, score 100, and we got the silver button.
And is there a gold button as well?
Yep, there's actually way more than that. There's a gold button, a diamond button, an emerald button, and a celestial button.
And you did this all by yourself with no help?
Well, kind of help, but I improved on it without help.
Good job.